In the fast-paced world of pre-roll production, efficiency and precision are paramount. Introducing the Astro Infuser, a revolutionary machine designed to transform your pre-roll infusion process. Say goodbye to bottlenecks and hello to warp-speed infusion, precision, and unmatched consistency. First, use the touch screen to set the optimal temperature for the reservoir and needles. This ensures consistent concentrate flow. Next, load your concentrate. Then, place your pre-roll tray into the infuser. It's compatible with various joint sizes for seamless operation. Set your precise dispense volumes on the touch screen. These settings ensure consistent dosing. Then, start the fill cycle. The Astro Infuser precisely infuses each pre-roll, processing 72 in just 90 seconds. The infused pre-roll market is evolving rapidly. Infused pre-rolls are leading category growth in 2025. Headset data reveals they hold a substantial 43.4% market share, with significant unit sales fueled by consumer demand for convenient, precisely dosed pre-rolls. Ready to revolutionize your joint production? The STM Canna Astro Infuser delivers the speed, precision, and efficiency you need to thrive in today's competitive market. Contact us now to request a demo and discover how the Astro Infuser can transform your business.